Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, New Growth Natural. So I'm back with another video on how to make neem oil for thicker, stronger, powerful hair growth, and this is just going to be so awesome for both your hair and scalp. Let's get into it, but before I do so, here's your inspiration. And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree in the which is the fruit of the tree yielding seed, to you it shall be for meat. Genesis 1:29. So here are my neem leaves that I'll be using to make this oil. They're already washed. And now I'm just picking them and separating the leaves from the stem into this container. And I love neem oil because neems are packed with antioxidants that prevent hair loss. And that is just nature's cure for all hair and scalp issues that you may have. And when I say all, I mean literally all, because neem promotes hair growth and prevents baldness. It treats head lice and it helps with dandruff and itching. Like, this is a super product if you have itchy scalp. Neem actually works, and the combination that I'll be making today is perfect if you have dry scalp, if you have dandruff, if you have eczema on the scalp, if your hair is thinning, if your hair is falling too much, and this is perfect for you. And what I like about using neem or natural remedies, you can basically find them around, especially if you're in the Caribbean like myself. I basically went outside and picked neem leaves from this tree. You'll see them on the roadside. A lot of persons don't know the tree, but this is what the leaves look like. So what you see me doing now is basically grinding the leaves in my grinder. If you have a blender or anything, or if you have a mortar, anything that can get these leaves to the state that I'm showing. Done grinding your leaves, what you want to do is take your favorite carrier oil. In this case, I'll be using coconut oil, and I'll be using this to cover the leaves, the grinded leaves that I have in this container. Just enough to cover the leaves. I won't be making a lot because I already have some here at home. I'm just doing this video as a demo for you. So basically, I'm covering my leaves, ensure that all of it is covered. You want to go ahead and give it a little stir, and then I'll be using a double boiler method to boil my oil, or to extract the nutrients from my neem leaves into my coconut oil. So right now I have a pot on the stove with water, and I put the container with the neem leaves and the coconut oil into that pot of water, and I'm just stirring it. Ensure that once your pot is hot, once it starts boiling, you want to keep on stirring your leaves. So you want to go ahead and you don't have to stay over the pot to continue to stir it, but occasionally you want to go in there and keep stirring it, keep checking it to see that it is the color that you want it to be. If you have dry scalp or dandruff or eczema or God forbid head lice on your scalp, you should really consider using neem oil as a treatment, because neem oil is so successful in treating dandruff in that the primary cause of dandruff is a fungi known as candida, and neem oil is effective against these fungi due to its antifungal properties. So neem oil also provides a relief from inflammation, itchiness, and irritation that results from dandruff. It's now about 15 minutes after stirring my neem oil in my double boiler, and look at the color. That's what you want to see happening. You want to see the color start changing. That means that the nutrients in the neem leaves are being infused into the oil. So I'm just going to allow that to sit on the stove for another 15 minutes, totaling to half an hour. I just love the benefits that I'll be getting from this neem oil when it comes to treating head lice. I don't have head lice, but if you know somebody that does, you should definitely recommend this video to them, because neem oil is going to help to kill the head lice because of the antifungal and insecticidal properties that it has. It is known to inhibit the growth of the lice, and also it is used by farmers all around the world to kill insect and to ward off insect off their vegetables and plants. So why not go ahead and give this a try? So once my oil is at the desired color, this is what it looks like, and I'm straining it using a strainer. Now this strainer is a little bit big, so I'm going to also use a coffee strainer to strain it into another container. So if you take a close look, this is what it looks like. Notice that my oil is green. It has now as the color of the neem leaves. And bear in mind that this has a very strong scent. So you can go ahead and add your favorite essential oils to this. I won't be adding anything to mine because I don't have a problem with the scent. And also I have a garden that I intend to use some of this oil on as well. can see now, I've successfully removed the remainder of my neem leaves residue from my oil. So what I'm going to do now is seal my mason jar with its cover until I'm ready to use this oil. This oil has a very long shelf life. It won't go bad on you easily, so it lasts you up to a year or more. So what I'm going to do is seal that jar until I'm ready to use it. I'll use it 2 to 3 times per week, but you can use it more often if you desire. And also when I'm using this oil, I put it in an applicator bottle like you see in the first part of the video to make the application easier. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye bye.